Magalit pagkatapos yung ulungin. Mga litrato. Yung mga video. Saan yun nakuha yun? Hindi talaga pala natin. Ilang tao niyo akong niloloko. Kuya, pasensya na. Saan ako natira? Sagutin niyo ako! Nagsugal ako. Alam ko kung marami. Yung pinaghirapan ko, yung mga galing hindi ako natutulog, ako rin na napasama ako sa misyon. Namunta sa inuman ng iba. Nagastos ko rin po sa barkada, sa lupo. Ako nagtatrabaho, kayo nagmamakasaya. Oh, thank you, sir. I'm following this nerd right here. He knows what to do. Oh my god, I was about to say, why is that so thick? This lady knows what she's doing, so I'm just gonna follow this lady right here.
I'm 50 years old.
Okay, this game is starting to get predictable, bro. Hey, I'm really weird doing now.
I'm 50. Hi, Holly, good sir. Hello, yeah. Hello. Yeah, I don't. You are so sweet, my. What my? Hi, Nico. Nicolas. Thank you, 30
Now we're just waste less time. So you can just take your balls, bro. Oh, wow, yeah, look easy. Okay, hold on. Help, bro, please, please.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. I appreciate. naman dahil sige.
Si Ote po ba nandito? Sino po sila? Yung tatay ni Ote. Hindi kasi siya makakabuhi kagabi. Baka alam na siya na. Nasaan na kaya ng mga sana yung hirap ng kotse sa kailan ngayon wala pa rin ito.
Hi, Pri. Hi, Pri. Dala.
Okay, partida walang match. Ako ang edit. Hindi ko alam to. Nag-invite ako matapos ko meron ako edit. Tapos hindi ko na tapos mananalo na pati yung hindi ko madamay.
Kaya pwede ka din magpasunod sa bata.
Sana ako na turtle hindi umabot. Kaya hindi ko na lang paano papatayin natin.
Del.
Tapos sinunod ko yung ilan nila.
Pwede ka din magpasunod sa bata. Kaya nakalive ako kaya nakarequest na ako.
Was examining the mummy without wearing gloves. At the very next moment, the mummy's sharp teeth sliced his finger open. Blood dripped fast from the cut. Panicking, he rushed toward the first aid box, but he had no idea. A few drops of his blood had already fallen onto the mummy's body, and the moment the mummy touched human blood, its ancient skin began to change. He somehow wrapped a bandage around his finger, then prepared to separate the mummy from the stone slab. But he noticed something strange. The mummy was completely stuck to it. With no choice left, he grabbed a metal rod and pushed it back and forth between the tiny can. After a few tries, he finally managed to loosen. Carefully, he lifted the mummy and placed it on a small bed nearby. Then he walked back to the lab table and began cleaning the dirt stuck on the stone slab. But as he got busy, the mummy's jaw suddenly twitched. His sight froze, his breath. Terrified, he quickly grabbed a cloth and covered the mummy completely. Only then he returned to his work. But something even scarier happened next. The mummy moved again, slowly, but this time he didn't notice. Moments later, his boss walked in to check the progress. By then, the man had discovered a hidden section inside the slab. He removed the covering and a small keyhole like open. His boss wanted to open it immediately, but the man stopped him. Based on his experience, it could easily be a trip. Meeting Butch and Moira about her sister-in-law one day.
Hi! Ha? Lahat? Good morning! Good morning to you! Good evening here!
These type of cases. Stay until the end to see my color collection. Show me your color collection in the comments. Where is the best place to find color?
Ano ito? Sa umaga. Saan bata? I just showered. Gabi ka magpasuludan.
Para sa gatos.
Has a black hole in its stomach. Irritating eating ever since it was born. Anything the lamb sees, he swallowed into its stomach. One day, the lamb arrived at the old wolf's house. As soon as the lamb entered the house, he began gnawing on the old wolf's hole. Anything the lamb saw, he swallowed into its stomach. The start on the poster in the book. The old wolf saw this, and frankly, the lamb wasn't getting enough nutrients, so he brought a bottle of milk for the lamb to drink. But the lamb poured out the milk and swallowed the glass bottle instead. However, the glass bottle couldn't satisfy the lamb. When it saw the plate on the table, it swallowed the plate like it was a sandwich. Seeing the lamb strange behavior, the old wolf hurried at his house when he late. So he grabbed some cheese and tried to tie the lamb to the lawn, but the lamb ate its way along the rope. It ate all of its shoes. At that moment, the lamb also aimed for a spare tire. To prevent the lamb from continuing to destroy the house, the old wolf tied it to the iron frame of the windmill. But just as the old wolf was about to go back, he heard a strange noise. When he turned around, the lamb had already eaten the entire iron frame, leaving only the windmill still hanging in the air. To get rid of his trouble, he locked the lamb with a big iron chain and rode to a small island 100 kilometers away. The old
Happy birthday ulit, Nay. Hindi ata happy anak wala akong cake, pansit at lechon. Mag-wish lang, Nay, baka may darating.
Habang tumakbo ang sasakyan, ay napakanaman ang pulang ng truck. Isang ganyan tumilapon na ako sa gitna ng bahay ng
Nay, may cake! Ano? Saan galing? Ano ba nahili mo, Nay? May pansit eh! Magulat ako! May lechon baboy ka na, Nay! Oh! Nay, kumpleto na hiling mo, Nay! Sana all! Happy na birthday ko, anak! Kain na tayo!
Ma'am, may nakita ba kayo na tapon dito sa loob ng bahay niyo na litson baboy, pansit at cake?
Naubos na po namin! Happy birthday ulit na!
Dire-diretso ang ganap. Professor, hindi ko na! Pag si next year yung board na bukol, lalabas ako.
Thank you for watching. What's wrong? Every good morning, Romero. Get the coffee reading, sorry. Get the coffee reading. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next live.